They would be doing fireworks. Happy 4th of July. Okay, here comes the next one. And it's so close. What is that, a tank? Oh, I know those. Me and Paul has some of those. They just move. Guys, it's a tank.
I thought it was going to move.
Pew. Well, that's the ones at Paul's house. They move. Remember that snake thing that you didn't do properly? It looks like this snake. The ground was pooping. I remember that. Grandma, I will never forget that moment. So, guys, once there was this thing that it looked like it was pooping out of the ground, and there's a snail right there.
Yes, mosquitoes trying to get you.
Yes, I know that.
So you have long chance.
Why?
Okay, what's that one? I was doing something.
What is that? I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, gosh.
Whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Huh.
That was cool. Oh, I saw it's a bunch of red. All the camera saw was just a bunch of red flames. It smells like fire over here. And that is dead. Oh, look, I got Poppy. You can see the track. You see the track for the fire thing.
Yeah, it'll be there until Christmas time. It'll be gone.
Yeah. There's so many snails. I'm just afraid that I was going to step on one. Here goes a cone. Okay, that's cool. Is that all it's going to do? No, it's getting bigger.
Sometimes they change colors.
Oh, it's gold, guys.
There it goes.
There it goes. I see green at the bottom.
This is kind of amazing. That it can shoot those up.
Lol.
See what this one does.
That's a volcano.
Oh, wow. Look at that one. Sparkly. That's pretty. It's not done yet. Look at that. That's cool.
Okay, we're ready for the fireworks.
Front row seats. That's pretty cool. Look at those little red sparks in the middle.
Yeah, it's like a volcano.
What do you think of that one?
To review his tape later, he'll have commentary. No commentary, Ben?
What?
No commentary?
No. It's like a volcano. And then it died. Poo. It sounds like a plane.
Yeah, it does. Oh, it's a teepee on fire.
The teepee on fire, Grammy. It's burning. And then it went out. That's the special effect at last second. It burns. Grammy, you can still see the tire. Well, when it rains, the tire...
It'll go away.
Yeah. That's the marks of the tank that failed, that didn't move. It only shot. What am I doing?
Oh, there it goes, Ben. Watch.
That's a quick one.
Man.
Oh, that was very
Good.
short. Yeah, it worked, but it didn't work at the same time. Hey guys, sponsor Hogwarts. I want to pick the next one that's next.
What's that one? Uh-oh. You need another one? Oh, there it goes. Is that another one of those little tanks?
No. There's only one tank.
Oh. Is it going?
No.
Is this going to be a what's this kind of thing?
Yeah. Do you need another one?
I think it broke.
Did you use up my thing? Oh no, it's just not catching very well.
Work.
It's not firing up very well, is it?
Boo.
Oh, there it goes.
That was Doug.
Oh, nope, never mind. I was gonna look.
Oh, now it's done. Well, that was worth 5 cents.
I walked towards that, thinking it was done, then it just started spinning around. I'm like, oh.
See him running away from it.
It's one of those. It slowly dies, and then it goes back again. Guys, it's a volcano. It's erupting. And it died. What are those?
Oh no, we're gonna find
They're
out.
grenades!
Oh, cool.
What is that? It's a blade! That one,
That's pretty cool.
if you don't know what that was, it spins. Right now, they just see a spinning ball of light.
I wonder how they figured out how to do all that.
I don't know. It's magic. Close-up shot.
That was Doug.
Yep, it just went on
That's it,
fire.
buddy.
It just, oh,
Those
that's
just poppers. Smoke bombs.
Really? That's it?
That's it.
What are these? Oh, we got.
With a flashing sign.
What are those?
Here.
Oh. I want to see those. It's just a bunch of white stuff on the. You can tell
That's
where
all right.
they.
It'll go away.
You can tell where they went.
It'll go away, bud.
This
It
is-
does every
Yeah, we
year.
do.
They went away, guys. This is where they all.
These things are gonna make a mess.
I don't know.
Probably. I hope there's not the poop things again.
What's that?
It's going on fire.
Oh, it's very bright.
Oh
very
gosh!
bright. Oh my gosh!
Ow, my
it's so
eyeballs!
bright. That can't be good for your eye. No, it's not.
That's all it does. It strobes. There it goes again. It's a strobe light.
Yeah, it is a strobe light.
There was a game that it was a strobe light and I had to look away from it because it would hurt my eyes.
Yeah.
It's right next to it. Here's another strobe light, guys. We have our own perfect strobe light. Wait,
You're bright.
Grammy, if you're in a dark room and you need one of those set them on ferns.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's gonna. Don't. At least it's by dirt. The strobe. Oh god. It's cool, but really hard to stare at. Or
Last one, bud.
right in front of it. Well, they're done.
Those other things.
Those are the
Don't touch
Is there
that.
any sparklers in there?
No, there wasn't this year.
No sparklers?
What about smoke bombs?
Yeah, set them off.
Well, what's that other stuff?
See them. Those just poppers. Poppers.
What is this? Those are smoke balls. They're gonna set off smoke.
Well, they're good for mosquitoes.
Yeah. That's cool.
Smoke bomb.
It smells.
Oh, look,
It's purple! Guys, it's purple. Oh, my camera's going crazy. Oh yeah, they're colors.
Must be another purple then.
It's another purple. There's a black one you could escape and it's purple dye.
Those little yellow ones don't do anything.
It's a
They're
white one.
dead.
It's a white one. That's gonna be normal. There's a green one next to a white one. The green one. Whoa! Maybe if there was orange, it would be. It would have the colors Irish. Dance in the smoke. Play with the.
Oh, blue. Look at the blue. Wow.
Play in smoke.
They're colorful.
But they smell bad.
Oh, I guess it's supposed to be gray. Ooh, look at
Whoa.
That was cool.
Oh.
It did. Makes me think there's something
It's green there, bud.
It just burnt the thing green.
Oh, no.
Now snap.
Are those poppers?
Snappers.
Same difference.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna make a mess.
Okay.
They always do.
Those smelled extremely. Don't walk into one of those and smell them. It broke. It didn't work.
To be continued next 4th of July. Yeah, I can't make the big show. It's past my bedtime.
It's a whole lot nicer to sit in front of your TV and watch it than it is to go out there and feed the mosquitoes.
That's
I
right.
hear ya.
Oh, there's more.
What? Bye,
A whole
people.
bunch of them.